So there's the camping pad. I put the tent on the dock to dry out, and then I realized I could sleep there. So then it should be nice and clear tonight so I can look up at the stars. No rain flyer, nothing. Because, you know, it's impossible it can rain now. Sun's setting over there. Got my North Face tent up, good to go. My chair, my book, my atlas, and my bike. As long as this doesn't become a party place later, this is a really nice spot. It's weird how many of these there are. Up in New York and everything by the lake. So nice. Goodbye.